This is needlepointers.com, and today I would like to show you how to make this Canadian flag mug rug. To make the Canadian flag mug rug, you will need the maple leaf template, red print fabric, white fabric, backing fabric, heat and bond iron-on adhesive, cutting tools, sewing machine, and thread. Download the maple leaf template and then put the heat and bond adhesive over the top of it, and with a pencil draw the maple leaf onto the heat and bond. After it's drawn on the heat and bond, you need to rough cut it out. Do not cut on the lines. Just cut maybe about 1/4 of an inch away from the design. Next, we will iron the maple leaf template to the back of the red fabric using the manufacturer's directions for the heat and bond. Now use a scissor to cut out right on the drawn lines. From the white fabric, cut a piece 6½ inches by 6½ inches. From the red fabric, cut 2 pieces 6½ inches by 3½ inches. Remove the paper backing from the maple leaf. Center it on the white fabric and iron it to adhere it to the fabric. To finish the Canadian flag block, sew 1 red piece to each side of the white piece. Sew using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press the seam allowance toward the red fabric. To complete the mug rug, from the backing fabric, cut a rectangle piece 6½ inches by 12½ inches. Also cut a 6½ inch by 12½ inch piece of batting. Place the backing with the right side facing up. On the top of that, put the Canadian flag block. Then put the batting on the top of that. Pin it in a few places. Sew the layers together using a 3/8 inch seam allowance. Start and make sure that you backstitch. You're also going to be leaving an opening at the bottom of about 4 inches, and this will be used to turn the mug rug right side out. Clip the corners to remove some of the bulk, and then turn it right side out through the opening, pushing out the corners. Take it to the ironing board and press it flat, and also press in the opening like so. Edge stitch around the outside of the mug rug, and this, by edge stitching, you will also be closing up that opening. Since the maple leaf was appliqued onto the fabric, I would suggest that you edge stitch all the way around it to make sure that it does not come off when the mug rug is laundered. In addition to edge stitching around the maple leaf, you can also quilt it however you would like. I hope that you enjoyed this video on how to make a Canadian flag mug rug. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. To follow us, just click the link in the video or in the description section. Also, please visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other quilting information, free projects, and tutorials.